Hey everyone, it's Bailey. So welcome back to my channel and for another plan with me. So today we're going to be planning for the week of January 8th through the 14th, and I'm going to be using this kit from the shop Glam planner, and it's a very like wintry, snuggly kind of kit, and it actually has been kind of cold here in Florida lately, so I feel like this is kind of appropriate, and also it's something just kind of like, I don't know, sophisticated and nice, and I just thought it'd be nice for this week. Now in case you want to see what last week's spread ended up looking like, this is it, and I think it looks super cute and very fun and festive. I actually think it's going to kind of coordinate well with the new kit, because I don't know, with all like the black and stuff, I think it's gonna work. And also I filmed my January monthly like spread, you know, thing, and I just thought it was kind of boring because I don't do much, so I just thought I would share with you guys my monthly. This is what it looks like. It's a kit from the Etsy shop Jessica Hearts. Super pretty, and then I got the coordinating notes page, so that's what that looks like. Let's move on. So like I said, this is the kit we're going to be using this week. It is from Glam Planner, and it's just really nice and sophisticated. It's a glossy kit because I think that's all she does, right? I don't think she does matte, which I personally prefer matte because it's easier to write on, but glossy does look really nice. There's some cute deco, the littles, and the washi. I'm excited to see how this turns out. So let's just go ahead and get started with the pretty washi. Alright, so how I think I want to do this is I think I'm going to do my to-do list at the bottom and then stagger the full boxes at the top. I don't know, I think that'll look nice. Now I don't really know which one I want to do over here in my little box because none of these are super like, I don't know, there's not like a quote box or anything. I definitely want to use the pink one in the middle just to kind of tie everything together and add a little bit of color. So maybe I'll use this one over there. I don't know, we'll see what happens. So actually, I'll first go ahead and start with the full list check boxes, or does she have any of those like ribbons to use? Yes, actually I think I'll use these instead, just to add a little bit of color, and it's a little bit easier to write on the matte paper versus the glossy paper. So with that in mind, we're going to change your plans, just go straight into this. So I think we're just going to kind of like stagger and, you know, do all of that. We'll start with our headers, if I can find them. There they are. We'll start with the today headers up at the top. Alright, so I have to ask, how is your year going so far? So far, so good, hopefully. I know with me last week, it was very busy. And I feel like I did kind of honestly drop the ball because I did not film enough videos for the week, unfortunately. Because, and I know this is a stupid excuse, but it's the truth, on the day that I had off work, which is when I like to film, because I don't really like to film at night, unless it's a planner video, because it's not nearly as important. Okay, that sounds bad. I feel like I'm able to control the lighting better with my planning videos, just because I feel like there's less going on here. It's like white and white in my hands and my nail polish and the stickers, and that's really all I have to worry about, versus like people moving and, you know, time changing and all that good stuff. So I'm okay with doing these at night, and they actually kind of work better with my schedule, and I can just kind of do it whenever on a Sunday night, because let's be real, I'm not too busy on Sunday evenings. But with my beauty videos, filming them at night, I do have soft boxes and it helps, but the lighting's still just not that great, and unless I have like a really good exciting video idea, I don't really want to just like put up an okay video with like okay lighting and just like I'm just not super excited about. So there's no video today, and I don't even know if I told you guys why. Okay, on my filming day, I feel like I'm already all over the place. So on my filming day, which are the days that I have off work, because then I can film in the middle of the day when there's sunlight, they were doing roof repairs literally right over my apartment all freaking day, which, I mean, you know, you do what you gotta do, it's important, but I'm just over here like, please be quiet so I can film, and you know, they never did. It was so loud, which is fine. So long story short, I wasn't able to film because they were being way too loud, and you know, that's just sometimes how the cookie crumbles, I suppose. And again, there wasn't anything I was super excited to film anyways, and it was just kind of like a And then I was like, well, maybe I could film, you know, after work tomorrow if I come up with an idea, and I just never did, and I was kind of tired, and, you know, you can tell when somebody's tired when they film a video. So I just, you know, it just didn't happen. So I apologize to any of the girls who are watching this, who watch my beauty channel as well. I promise this doesn't happen very often, so I will not make a, what is the word? An occurrence out of this? No, that's not the word I'm looking for. A habit out of this. And actually there is a video I do want to film that I'll film tomorrow. Ooh, that doesn't look good. There we go. Anyways, as I was saying, there is actually a video I am pretty excited to film, but it's more of like a wear testy kind of involved video, so I didn't want to do it obviously at like 8 o'clock at night, because you can't really do a wear test at 8 o'clock at night. So I'll do that tomorrow, and it's incorporating some more luxury makeup, so get excited. And then I'm thinking about doing a 2017 kind of organization video, because I know a lot of y'all have been, you know what I realized? Time out. I'm sorry, this video is all over the place, but you know what I just realized? I did today headers all across here, and yeah. Bailey, that's not a good start. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this as a sign and do all my full boxes up at the top, just because the header's already there, and you know, sometimes you do what you gotta do. So I'm going to do, I'll do these cute little bunny slippers next over here, and I mean, it's gonna look good regardless, so it's fine. And now I totally lost my train of thought. Shocker, I know. I actually really did. I don't know what I was talking about. Shoot, that's annoying. Maybe I was talking about videos? I don't know. Anyways, let's talk about something else then, shall we? So in case you missed it, I did upload a new weekly kit to my Etsy shop. I'm actually really excited about it. It's kind of like a Valentine's Day kit, but it's not super Valentine's Day, you know, it's not like covered in hearts and covered in like I love yous and stuff, but it's still very feminine, very girly, very pink, but still cute and something you could just do like in the spring or summertime, I think. So if you're interested in checking that out, the Etsy shop is always the link down below for you guys. And I also worked on a new quote offering, because I feel like my quote boxes are pretty popular. Well, they're not quote boxes, they're just quotes. I have positive quotes and I have sassy quotes, and I just did one that are like brunch inspired quotes, because I thought that'd be kind of cute to incorporate into your spreads or your planners. And the beauty of quotes is that you can literally do them in any planner. You don't have to have an Erin Condren. You don't have to do like this whole spread. You can just throw it in like the corner of your like whatever planner you use, and just adds a little bit of personality and just adds a little bit of, you know, fun, you know, or positivity or sass if that's what you're, you know, looking for. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do, if I can find them, there's so many, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put down my checklist, and I'm just gonna do that at the bottom. Now I will say, I don't really love how Erin Condren took away the headers, because I feel like I just don't quite know yet where to put my headers, so I have to kind of either build from the top or build from the bottom. So if you guys know the secret, please help the girl out, because I clearly do not. But anyways, hopefully the brunch quotes should be in the shop by now. I just need to do like the pictures for the listing and all of that good stuff, but I think they're super cute and kind of funny, and I definitely want to incorporate them in my passion planner, which I actually just got in the mail. I'm seriously obsessed with planners, y'all. I don't know why I always buy all these, but I'm just like, I don't know, I love them. And even my boyfriend, when I showed him, he was just like, you buy so many planners. I'm like, well, I use them all, so it's fine. Oh, I think that's what I was talking about though. Maybe doing like a 2017 organization video. If you guys are interested in seeing that on either this channel or maybe my beauty channel, I don't know. And that video was actually pretty popular last year, so that's pretty cool. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my to-do headers and just put that right over the top. Alright, so we're just going to stop here, and I'm going to move on to my sidebar. So I'm going to do the little ski sweatshirt. I don't even want to pretend like I know how this is pronounced, because I do not. I'm just going to put this over here, in this little box. And then under that, I'm going to do a little work header because, as you guys know, I say this every time, but I do like to keep track of the hours I work at work because I feel like, you know, it's important to make sure everything is in check. And I'm just going to use one of the weekly little check boxes. All right, under that, I'm going to do a little washi. This is like a really pretty, kind of like a silver sparkle, but also kind of like a, what is that called? Like a mercury kind of water marble thing. I don't really know. Next, I'm going to do some habit trackers. I'm going to use both of them. I've been using the habit trackers lately to track like Instagram stuff because I'll be honest, I'm not the best at using Instagram. I'm just like, I feel like it's just so staged sometimes, and I don't have time for that, so I don't do that too often, but I do like to, you know, post my spreads and post some beauty things over on the beauty Instagram, you know, the huge. And then I'm going to use these little 3-box checklist to do cleaning and purchasing. So this one says clean these, and this one says buy these. So I'm going to do both of those and trying to kind of make it a little even. Now I'm going to wait and see if I have any more washi left over to hide that. So we're just going to leave that be. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my date covers to, you know, cover up the date. I'm just going to pop those right on the top, and I like how they coordinate with the bottom washi. It kind of like sandwiches everything together. I think that's, you know, a nice touch. Now I will say I do usually like to use tweezers to put the numbers in with my little date covers because that way I at least can make them kind of straight and kind of like symmetrical with each other. So I will just do that later when I know where my tweezers are because, well, I know where they are, but they're on like the other side of the room. I don't really feel like getting up. So we're just going to wait on that. And actually, I always forget about these giant flags. And this kit does come with little flag covers. So I'm going to go ahead and take one and cover up this flag before I put the date cover over it. There we go. And then I'll go over here with the other flag and cover up this little guy. Beautiful. Okay, so let's start filling this thing out. So I'm first going to start with my little things. And first on Monday, technically I have The Bachelor coming on. So I'll put that here just because I don't want to forget that I need to watch it on demand because the football game's coming on also Monday at 8 o'clock. And as much as I love The Bachelor, I also love watching my Georgia Bulldogs play in the national championship because, well, this is the first time in my lifetime we've ever done that. So I'm definitely going to watch. And then on Tuesday, This Is Us finally comes back on. I thought it was last week, but apparently it's this week, so at least I have something to look forward to. So definitely gonna watch that. And then on Sunday I have a little guilty pleasure on Food Network, like America's Worst Cooks or whatever comes on at like 8 or 9. So I like to watch that because I kind of relate. I mean, I'll be honest, I have started a fire boiling water before. Yeah, it's that bad. So those are my shows. And then since she has so many of the little food icons, I'm going to go ahead and put these down as well. Because, you know, I might as well use them, right? Now regarding food, I am actually pretty excited because I have another HelloFresh delivery coming this week. And we haven't had HelloFresh. Well, we got it last week on accident. I didn't mean to get it. I forgot to skip it because I remember looking at the menu and being like, oh, we've already tried a lot of this. And, you know, it just wasn't quite worth it that week, but I didn't. And, I mean, the food's delicious, so whatever. But we didn't get many boxes in December just because most of the weeks I was out of town or the menus just weren't really up to, like, what we were really wanting to make it worth the, I want to say it's like $60 for the box. That sounds alright. So it's like $10 a meal. But this week actually looked really, really good. So that should be delivered on Tuesday. And we'll be doing that for a lot of the week. But seriously, if you haven't tried HelloFresh yet, you totally should. Because I personally think it's worth the money. It's kind of pricey when you think about it, because like $60 for 3 meals for 2. So it's like $10 a meal, but really it's like $30 for you, $30 for whoever you're sharing with, if you're sharing with somebody. But it's just so freaking convenient, and you feel really good not eating out all the time or making something just like you've always had, so you kind of try stuff that's new. And it doesn't hurt if you have a boyfriend who likes to cook like mine, because then he cooks it and you're like, okay, perfect. So that works out well for me personally. Let's see, next, what do we have going on? I need to do laundry on Friday. Actually, I have Friday off work, and I did laundry this past Friday. So this means I'm probably going to need to do some more laundry this upcoming Friday. Let's see, I should have a package be delivered on Tuesday from Amazon. I picked up a new, well, it's not new because I don't have, well, it is new to me, but I didn't have one before, a new stylus for, you know, writing on Instagram stories and stuff, because I see people do such cute, like, calligraphy and things, and I'm like, how do you do that with your, like, finger? And then it hit me, you don't, you use a stylist. So I picked up a cheapo one from Amazon, so it should be here on Tuesday, and I think that's really all I have. I don't think any more packages are going to come this week. Let's see, we do have a payday on Friday. Yes, so exciting, so exciting. So I will put that right here. Gotta love payday, you know? Oops, that's a little crooked, but it's fine. And then I have a bill due on Thursday, which is not nearly as exciting, but you do what you gotta do, you know? So I think that's everything that's really going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in kind of the rest of the blank area with washi, and then I'll go in with the little half boxes and fill in the rest. Alright, so that's everything kind of filled in, like the base, you know? So let's go ahead and do some of the deco. So we gotta do the weekend banner, obviously. Like that's the easiest thing to start with, so I'm just going to pop that right over the weekend. And then she always brings out a little planner, that comes with her kits that kind of coordinates, so I'm going to do that over on Sunday, because that's when I like to do my plan with me's. Now everything else is just kind of like deco, so first we got to do this really pretty little Chanel lipstick, and I kind of want to do it just like over here somewhere, just down in the washi. And then this really cute little coffee mug we need to throw in somewhere. I don't quite know where. We'll stick it there. A little stack of Vogue and other fancy readings. I'm going to put this right at the bottom over here. So I think that's all the deco that I'm going to do right now. This kit does come with some little icons, and then I have a ton of stuff for myself because I am newly obsessed. So I need to wash my brushes because I haven't done that in forever, and tomorrow's going to become busy. Tuesday is also going to be kind of busy, so I think I'll do it on Wednesday. And I'm going to use these little brush cleaning icons that are actually from my shop. They're cute, and you get a ton of them, so I'm going to use the black one just to indicate that. I'll put that right there. Super, super cute. And then what else do I have going on? I'm going to be using my football icons one last time until August for Monday, tomorrow, because the national championships are tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Georgia's playing Alabama. Let me know who you think you're going to win. And I hope a lot of y'all say Georgia. I know we're biased over here, but I'm definitely going to be watching that. And what else is going on? I need to film videos this day, but obviously my box is going to be dedicated to the natties. Now Tuesday, I really need to work on the blog. I will be honest, I've kind of neglected that recently. So I'm going to go ahead and put this little computer icon down, and I'm going to be focusing on the blog and brainstorming some more content for over there on Tuesday. Friday is going to be a filming day, so I can use this little, like, I don't even know what this is called, little, I don't know, the filming icon. So I'll put this right here. See, Thursday, I need to make sure that we take out the trash because we have like this dumb valet thing where you have to pay. You don't really have a choice for people to come pick up your trash, and they don't come Friday or Saturday, so I gotta make sure it goes out on Thursday. And I guess honestly that's kind of it. I know, I'm so boring, y'all. Seriously, I am so boring, but hey, this is what we're working with. This is the final look, if you will. So yeah, I hope you guys like this week's plan with me, and I will see you guys next week. Alright, bye y'all.